Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the BIOS language on HP SPECTRE X360. To do that, first you have to enter BIOS. To enter BIOS, shut down your computer, short press the power button, then repeatedly press escape key during the launch process, and you will eventually see the startup menu on your screen. On this menu, you're gonna have to click the F10 key in order to enter BIOS. If you need more detailed visual instructions, you can check the dedicated BIOS video on our channel. And after that, you will see something like this in front of you. So now you're gonna have to navigate to Configuration tab. To do that, use the right arrow key and then select the language, which is the first option in Configuration tab. Press Enter and select the language that is more suitable for you. And to apply changes, you have to press F10 and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.